Dan is tidying his toy cupboard. He pulls out his teddy, his old donkey, and a duck. Then he finds a box of dominoes. He plays with them for a while. Next, he sees his yellow digger, so he takes that out for a drive.
Dan, have you finished yet?
Asks his dad. Not yet, says Dan, and he goes back to the cupboard. He finds one of his sister's dolls and throws it to one side to give back to her later. Then he finds a bag of marbles and some dice. He plays with these for a little while, and then he hears his dad again.
Dan, have you finished yet?
No, not yet, says Dan, and he goes back to the cupboard. At the very back of the cupboard, he sees his old red and blue drum. He picks it up and marches up and down, banging the drum. Duh, duh, duh. Dad comes in to see what all the noise is.
Do you know you have spent all day tidying your cupboard?
He says. Dan smiles. I've found lots of things I had forgotten all about, he replies.